Most e-commerce brands run meta ads, but very few run actual funnel. And that's the difference between random sales and profitable growth. And today I'm gonna show you how to build perfect ad funnel using meta step by step. Hi, I'm Ozzy. I've helped over 100 brands in 13 countries to scale their ads using Meta. Brands that grow profitably don't have better ads. They have better funnels. Stick with me until the end and I will show you a creative trick we use that boosted ROAS by 62% in 10 days. Firstly, we're going to talk about top of the funnel. Getting attention. Cold traffic means that curiosity-driven content. At this stage, we don't sell. We stop the scroll. Use these three styles. Problem first hook videos, unexpected benefit or demo, and funny UGC. For example, a skincare brand showed that what happens when you skip the moisturizer in 7 days, and CTR shot up. In conclusion, in top of the funnel, don't close the deals. Just plant seeds. In 2, engagement layer. Warm them up. We retarget the people who watch 50% plus our top of the funnel videos. And this is your middle funnel. Use this layer to explain how, why and what. For middle of the funnel, the best formats are UGC review, product in action videos, explainer reels. We had 2.8x from a casual 15-second clip of someone just using our product naturally. And here we need to ask for this. What if they click through to your site and still don't buy? This next step is 90% of the brands lose money. Third one is website retargeting. Push them forward. We retarget product viewers and add to cart visitors. And in here, answer just one question. Why did not they buy? And tries these ones. Address objections, share social proof, and add urgency with real incentives, but not fake countdowns. For example, carousel ads with 3 real reviews brought in 27% of the total conversion for one brand. If they made it this far, you already did the hard part. In fourth, abundant cart. Save the sale. Target them within 1 hour. Time matters. First ad equals to reminder. In second, urgency or bonus like free shipping, limited stock, etc. A supplement brand added free shipping for 24 hours in their second ad, and abandonment recovery increased by 38%. 5. Post purchase. Increase your LTV. You got the sale. Retarget past buyers with cross sales, reorder flows, and loyalty pushes. For example, a brand make 14k from a simple just did you love it? Try this next ad. Pure profit. It costs less to keep a customer than to find a new one. 6. Funnel budget split and scaling smart. Most brands overspend on cold traffic but they forgot their retargeting. But they ignored their retargeting. We usually go with 30% middle of the funnel, 15% bottom of the funnel, and 5% post purchase, and adjusting them weekly, tracking them per layer. Yes, we have talked so much, but even with the best funnel, most brands get lazy with creatives. This next idea crashed polished videos and boosted ROAS by 62%. We made a video of 6 customers saying one sentence each, raw, vertical, unedited. It replaced our UGC studio ad. CTR went up, CPM dropped, ROAS jumped 62% in 10 days. People trust people, not polish. In conclusion, if you are only running meta ads and not funnels, you're leaving money on the table. Build structure, test layers, and track everything. Which step are you going to implement first? If this video helped for you, just hit subscribe to support me. See you in the next week.